I just realised some legalese there that I didn't put in my last video on Putin talking points. When I say legalese, for example, disinformation was another popular one. It's like you call somebody opinion disinformation. You're not calling them a liar. You're just calling it disinformation. So for the listener, that implies that it's a lie, but they're not technically calling that person a liar, because disinformation by definition could be just information that is not supporting a narrative. That's all. And rather than a lie. What if the narrative is not true? Then disinformation is the truth. So that's legalese, to basically not call somebody a liar and suffer from defamation charges. Likewise, Putin talking point. It implies that it's a lie from Putin, a propaganda. It doesn't have any basis in reality. It's completely partisan. But it's not saying that. It's saying it's something Putin said. Putin could also observe reality and merely comment on it, like commentary. For example, earlier today, Putin talking point is that Al-Qaeda is funded by the West. Well, that's actually true. But if you say it's a Putin talking point, well, then you're implying that it's a lie. That's what people think, the listener thinks. But you're not saying it, because maybe Putin is telling the truth. But if Putin is telling the truth, it's still a Putin talking point. Get that? So it's a kind of cloaking way of providing this false impression that it's all a lie without saying it. It is a lie because it's true. And it's well and truly on record over many years, including, I didn't mention in the earlier video today, Luke Sullivan was emailed colleagues that Al-Qaeda is on the west side in Syria. I think it came out in the Snowden emails. That's another one. They're just continuously, they say it out loud, and that the West has funded these extremist Islamic groups, created them, and set them against their enemies. And when they commit atrocities after taking power, now that's their blood on their hands. But and they can't get around that, apart from using legalese terms like Putin talking point, which is not. It's an admission of guilt. Let's face it. If they can't say it's a lie, they have to use legalese like it's a Putin talking point, which is basically includes anything that Putin says that's true. Well, you see what I'm saying?